Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are fine. In this video, I will give you complete information about analytics of YouTube channel. I have logged in my YouTube channel. After logging in YouTube channel, you have to come in studio options. When you will click on your studio options, this window will open in front of you. After that, here is fourth options, analytics. Click on analytics. After clicking analytics, this window will open in front of you. So this is my analytics page. On this page, first option is overview. In this overview options, you can see views, watch hours, subscribers, and estimated revenue which you got on your channel. This is my 28 days analytics. 28 days analytics. In 28 days, I got 472k hours, 11k views, and $93 only. Also, here you can see how many viewers are coming on your channel in last 48 hours. In last 48 hours, I just got 3 views. Okay. After that, second option is reach. Here we will check our reach in last 28 days. In reach section, we will see impressions, CTR, click-through rate. My last 28 days CTR is 2.2%. And if we scroll down, we can also see here our CTR, click-through rate, which is normal. On left side, we can see traffic source types. You can see our main traffic source type is YouTube advertising. Browse features. This is to top audience traffic source. After that, click on engagement. Here is main option, average view duration. People watch my video about 2.5 minutes. My most watched video is this one, how to create pro website on Wix. Fourth option is audience. In this option, we can see from which country we are getting most traffic. As last 28 days, I got most traffic from India, Vietnam, Thailand, Mexico, and Indonesia. These are my 5 main countries where I am getting traffic, and this is gender. 33% females watch my video and 66% males watch my video. And this is age option. Here we can see mostly 25 to 34 years persons watch my video. And in the end, fifth option, where we can see our RPM earning. In last 28 days, my RPM was $8. And this is my top earning videos, which is $88 and $4. So this was the top video today. I will come with another video some other time. Hope you will get some information in this video. See you in another video. Till then, take care.